Hello, model builders. Here's the completed Candy Cane Air Force F4 Phantom. A lot of time on this one. Got a handful of remove before flight tags on it. As you can see, they're waving in the wind. I just got to dull coat it. See if I can get this a little lighter. There we go. Not too much to say about this one, except for all the time I spent on it. Still got to make the rear view mirrors for it. It's always fun building Phantoms. I could build them all the time, every day. This camo scheme was airbrushed. Decal ripped right there. That's why it's messed up. A little overlap on the wing, but that's easily fixable. I used lacquer thinner that I'd never used before, and kind of pulled up my pre-shading, but I'll get that fixed. And I decided to change it up a little bit. I'm building a 1/15 scale Kawasaki LTD 550 motorcycle. That's the engine, airbox, carbs. That's the motorcycle, but it's not going to be painted anywhere near that. I'm going to paint it the same way my dad's was when he had an LTD. And of course, I'll be adding a bunch of parts to this one. I'll be adding little cable hooks for the front brakes. I'll be putting the markers on it. I'll do a good amount of detailing and adding pieces like I normally do to my models. This was a hard model to find. And until the next video, you all have a great great day. Take care.